Indian classical dance techniques like Rasa and Bhava trace their origins to Bharat Muni's Nitya Shastra, Lavani, Povada, Koli, Vagyamurli, and Dhangiri Gaja folk dance from Maharashtra. One act play of Satriya is called Ankya Nat. The origin of most of the classical dance forms of India is from Natya Shastra, the dance form of Goa which is known as warrior dance, Ghode Modni. Manipuri dance is based on Ras Leela, themes of Radha and Krishna. Satriya Assam was recognized as a classical dance by the Sangeet Natak Academy in 2000. UNESCO recognized Mudiyattu, a ritual drama of Kerala, as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity in 2010. Thullar dance is originated from Kerala. The Kashad Maste, or victory dance of the Khasi tribe, is from Meghalaya. Maimatar is a popular folk dance of Tripura. Dance is traditionally performed in Carnatic music. Thumri music is associated with Kathak, Uttar Pradesh, the masculine aspect of the Manipuri classical dance is known as Cholams. Kathakali dance was immediately preceded by a practice session called Sevakali. The abhinays that deals with the use of costumes, jewelry, facial makeup etc. Ahariya abhinay. Siddhis have a cultural history in Gujarat for about 300 years, known for their unique dance called Siddhi Dhamal. Natwari Nritya is associated with Kathak dance. The Dandri Gusadi festival is celebrated by the tribe Rajgond and Kolams. Pakar dance of Jharkhand performed. Male member by Munda tribe, Gaur Maria, is a dance form from Chhattisgarh. Lebang Bumani dance is the harvest dance of Tripura. Bharatanatyam was banned by the British government in 1910. The victory of truth over falsehood celebrates in Maharashtra through Songi Mukhavat dance. The Songi Mukhavat dancers of Maharashtra. Songi Mukhavat dance represent Narsimha, an aspect of Lord Vishnu. Rekhampara dance belongs to Arunachal Pradesh. The soft and suitable for female presentation known as Lasya. The Indian classical dancers have two basic aspects, Lasya and Tandav. The word Kathak is derived from story. The technique of classical dancing was codified in 5th century BC by Bharat. The Lamdi dance is a folk dance form of the Banjara tribe. Kalbalia snake charmer dance is a famous folk dance of Rajasthan. Kalbalia dance is performed by the Kalbalia community. The Balti dance is related to the state of Ladakh, conveying